Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Wiggins hair. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As well, hit that notification bell, sis, because I post weekly. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, y'all, so again, I received this hair from Wiggins hair, and when it came in this box right here. And opening up the box, you guys, we have a scarf, I believe, and then another baggie that has their logo where you can place your unit after you're done wearing it. Some cute lashes, like, sis, these lashes are really cute. It says they're 3D Fox Mink lashes, and it comes with 5 girl, can't even get it out, 5 pair. Look how cute these lashes are, you guys. Okay, there you go, you can see it better. They're really cute, and they're actually some lashes that I would wear. So big ups to Wiggins. I want to say that this is another scarf maybe, and an edge brush and an elastic band. And girl, like, it's the small things for me. I'm super excited about it just because I've always wanted one, and I just never took the time to go to my beauty supply store and purchase one, and or go to Walmart, because I know you can buy elastic band from Walmart. But every time a wig company gives me one of these, it's like half the size, and it's like, sis, what you want me to do with this? Like, But girl, no, this is actually long enough for my big head, and yeah, I can actually use this. So yes, they doing it already just from the accessories. So yeah, girl, and of course it comes with a wig cap and the unit. Can't forget about the unit. So let's just get into the unit, you guys. This is their large cap size, and it's 200% density. Again, the small things for me. And I want to say that this is their loose wave in 24 inches. Again, if you already know, you know your girl is going to have the details once we jump further into the video. And I did pre-bleach and pre-pluck the knots. However, it did come pre-plucked. Like, it looked really good, sis. Like, really good. But I did just have to do just a little bit just for my preference. But girl, this is the unit. It is a little damp just because, again, it was drying for me, pre-bleaching. And this is what the ends look like. They look good. The hair smells good because, again, I pre-bleached it, but the waves are really nice, you guys. And yeah, girl, let me get into it. This is what the cap is looking like. Looks really good, you guys. You get a lot of parting space. Again, I'll have more of the details. I want to say this is maybe a 13 by 4 is what it's looking like, a 13 by 4 unit. So yeah, that's what it's looking like in the inside. And the combs are right here. 2 combs, one on either side, as well as a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So yeah, girl, again, this is what the unit's looking like. A lot of hair, you guys. I can feel the weight on it, as well as because it's damp. And again, looking at the ends look good. So yeah, sis, let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace, and I'll be using my leg spray from Sally Hansen. And if you guys, you know, have your lace tint and your whatever you have, just use that. And then I'm just blow drying it in to seal it. To lay my wig, I'll be using the Got To Be Blue Freeze Spray. I'm just going to spray around the hairline and then use my blow dryer to seal it in. With some powder just to better blend the lace, and this is my Black Radiance powder contour palette in the shade medium to dark. And then after I put that all along the hairline, I'm going to go back in with that Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray, and this just creates the perfect note, you guys. So for styling, I'll be doing a side part. I just kind of think that with any type of wavy hair, the flip over method and or a side part is just bomb. So yes, sis, that's what I'll be doing. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to flatten out the parting space and just get everything looking nice in the front. So now for these baby hairs, sis, I'm just going to take out a little on the side, and then after I get it to my liking, I'm going to do that again. So I'll have like 2 sets of baby hairs, if that makes sense, girl. I don't even know if that makes sense. But anyway, so yeah, girl, I'm just going to get the baby hairs out, and then I'm going to cut them and curl them with my little flat iron, and then to lay them down, I'm going to be using some more Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray. I'm going to begin curling this unit, and I'll just be using my water bottle that just has water in it, and then I'll be using my Cantu curling cream, and I'm just going to put that all throughout the hair on both sides. Okay, sis, so here is the final look, and honey, girl, like, girl, get into this hair. Like, the hair is just really bomb. It looks really good, and your girl is just excited. Okay, so yeah, let me turn around so you can see the back. So that was the back, sis. So let's push it back up to the front and let's get into these details. So on their website, again, this is from Wiggins Hair. On the website, it says that this is their long wigs, loose deep wave lace front wig. It's 24 inches. It's a 13x4. It's HD lace, and it's 200% density. So y'all, like, I'm just really excited about this wig. The hair is just so nice. But okay, so details. So it is a big head friendly unit. It fits perfectly on my head. Again, I got the large cap size. You are able to choose what cap size you want, and I got the large cap size. I probably could have sized down to a medium cap size just because I do have a little space in the back. But to me, I mean, I'm okay with that just because my head is on the bigger scale, and I'd rather have a little bit of a too big wig rather than a wig that's just snug and it's hurting my head. So if you have a size head like me, you probably could do the medium and or the large cap size, because I think this cap size fits really good on my head and it feels really nice. So yeah, big head friendly. And the texture of this unit, y'all, this has got to be the softest hair I've ever received. No lie, like, for real, the hair is just really soft. It feels like a really good grade of hair, and I'm just like, I could not keep my hands out of this wig. Like, the hair feels really nice. I didn't receive any tangling. You can run your finger straight through it. I did receive a little bit of shedding, but again, you guys, with curly hair, that's to be expected because you're running your fingers through it and you're putting product in it and just manipulating the hair. So it's to be expected. It wasn't a lot of hair at all, really just the bare minimum, and again, it's to be expected. The ends of the hair, the ends are really good, you guys. I didn't have to add a lot of product to get the ends to curl up, and the ends weren't frizzy, and I didn't have to trim them or anything like that. So that's always a plus. You do get your full 24 inches, and y'all, the hair is just like really long. It kind of almost feels longer than 24 inches, but let me show you. Like, look how long it is. Like, girl, the hair is just super long, and yeah, I'm loving it, like, sis. And girl, let's get into this HD lace. So the lace looks really bomb. It melted so good, and yeah, it's giving scalp, sis. And again, it came pre-plucked, but I did go in just a little bit and pluck it, and I literally, I think it looks really good. I didn't even add any more powder to the hairline, and I didn't add any powder to the part. I kind of was just a little overly excited about this unit, and I really just forgot to do it. So it's not that it doesn't need it or you can't put it on there, it's just that I forgot. But I really think it looks really good by itself. Like, yeah, girl, I think it looks good. I tried to like let it dry a little bit because I wanted to have like a big, you know, big hair or whatever. So it is slowly drying, and girl, I really just cannot keep my hands out of this wig. Like, it looks really good. This hair is just bomb. So I will have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.